Oh, such a lovely box. Hi friends! If you watch this video till the end, you will be able to create such a cool magic box, a creative postcard, and even suitable for pranks if you put glitter in the box, for example. But I didn't tell you that. So let's begin. For the surprise box, you will need scissors, double-sided adhesive tape, solid cardboard of any color, rubber bands, any drawings, and glue. We assemble the cubes. Outline the cardboard according to the scheme. Cut off the corners and bend them along the lines. In the same way, we prepare 5 more bases for the cube. We glue 2 bases, then make 2 holes. And then thread the elastic band. Fix it! We glue one side of the cube. Now, the second side we glue exactly the same. We glue the 2 sides of the cube together. Yay! Time to glue the characters. In the same way, we assemble 2 more cubes, putting together the base. We bend along the lines and then glue it together. Now we collect the cover case. We bend, and glue the 2 sides together. Now it's time to decorate the cover. Final step, compile the cubes. Well, the surprise box is ready. I'll just compile it, and then it remains to hand it over and watch how funny or amazed or even surprised your beloved one is. Then, put it in. And. See, by the way, we have prepared for you a whole section of cool postcards that you can make yourself. Try and amaze your family and friends. Write in the comments which postcard you like the most. Even more unique crafts are found on our channel that you can make at home with family and friends. Subscribe and don't miss a single episode. share video with your friends. Let's have fun on social networks. Until next time!